Okay, so let's start and let's get the VMware. So VMware is an emulator, so that means you could use an ISO and put it into the file and run it as well. Download VMware. So when you really come here, we have version one called like Workstation 16 Pro for Windows. So when you want it, I think this is the time. Click on it and it'll download for computer. But I had already installed it, so yeah, let's run it out. Okay, so after installing the app, this is the way how you see it, and also ask for a license key. You need to say you don't have a license key, so it will give you a 30-day trial. So when that's done, you need to go right here. So you can create a new virtual machine. You could watch other videos, but to make this video brief as much as possible, I'm gonna go and ahead and I created a new virtual machine. I made a new virtual machine. So now it had been worked well, so I had set up Windows 11 into it. So it will be very easy to set up it. You could choose languages and options like that. So you could also find it in other videos. So it's basically easy right here. So I'll do a brief explanation on that. But after that, let's go right here to Windows setup. Okay there, I didn't basically supposed to record this. I got a bad recording system right here, so I did a fast recording. It sucks, but you can see this is good. So this is my one. It's called Windows 1055. You could give it any name you could give it, but this is for this video, and let's start it. So in order to turn it on, you could click this button right here or this one right here, but I'm just gonna go with this because this is the most one I use. To this, now I had installed that and opened this as an ISO file. Now I'm done. So let's see what are the coolest functions. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to and give you a nice little animation loop right here. So in the start button, when you click it, you could see like a short animation playing. Look at that! It dims and lights up. That's cool and that's new. Okay, so let's go and see Photos app and see what are the new stuff. And there's nothing about it for a decade old, half of a decade old Photos app. So there's nothing. Let's close it up. Don't care about it. Okay. So let's see what are new for this. Right here we have the pin section. Pin section is kind of like the desktop. You could pin those icons right here and you could move them, and also we don't have live tiles. Like, what's wrong with Windows? Stop deleting live tiles. And also I need to state this right here because this is not a complete version of Windows. This is just half done. So I hope they will basically do that in the future. Okay, go to all apps. We got this all apps, and you can really navigate by clicking on the text right here. And also we have another app called down and called Windows Tool. Windows Tool is like an app which opens from Windows Explorer, which basically has the same apps which had been on our old Windows Accessories folder over in Windows 10. Right here we have Power Automate, Run, and other stuff right here. Also Git Control Panel. The new app is only Power Automate, and other apps are also extremely old. So let's just they're damn old. Okay, so again, I'm gonna go right here. Let's see what are the cool stuff we could catch up. So when you scroll down, we have Paint. Paint also has the same design which it had on Windows 7, so there's nothing new about it. And also Notepad is the same. It basically has this weird new icon. I like it, and when you go to about Notepad, it also has this one stick here. So they type something like "Hello World, you are done." That. Okay, this is good. I like it. Okay, so let's close it up and let's see about CMD. CMD is basically something like DOS. If you don't know DOS, I don't know about you too. So right click. No, Windows Terminal. If you don't know about Windows Terminal, you can search it up. But over here they have Windows Terminal downloaded originally on the computer. So that means if you don't want to like install this. So I'm just gonna type foo am when I type like that, and this gives me information about my computer. So let's go to command prompt, which is basically like DOS. I'm just gonna go cd desktop desktop, I'm gonna go to google.txt. So now we'd open the txt file. This is a good one. I'm not a pro at this. You can really find more pros at this, but I'm not a one. So let's just close it up. Okay. Yeah, close it. And also you could see in control panel we have this new shortcut icon right here. So let's go to control panel, shall we? Okay, when you click in control panel, you get these new icons. These are all new icons, but when you click on it, these are old icons. But let's see, let's wait for the new version to come. And also there's another cool feature. So I'm just gonna open a few apps, like Windows, I think. Okay, so I had open new Windows. I'm gonna click right here and click on this one. So this is a way you could arrange your multitasking easily. So click on this one, and you'll ask for what will go here. This one goes there. This one goes there. And this one goes there. And also now this basically looks very well arranged. So you could do it right here. You could close it, but it doesn't go right there. Okay, about that. And also you could do some edits right here. You could see the guy right there. And also you could just scroll down, scroll up, and do the other stuff. This is basically like an easy way to adjust your Windows. It's also a good one to do. Okay, so now I'm in movies and TV. You can see we have a movie download section. So you need to pay for this, and you can get the movies. Over here we have a movie section. It's like the movie section, I think. And also when you go right there, we have movie section and TV show section. You can really get some TV shows. For example, we got The Office, whatever this is. Okay. Also, when you go to personal option, we could see our videos. We have removable storage and media servers, which are already visible on Windows 10. Also, when you click right here, we have I'm playing a video from First Cassette. So if you're really curious to find about First Cassette, I will put a link below so you can find it. And also, I didn't provide you guys the ISO because this video can get monetized if I put the ISO. So it would be easier if I just provide you a person who has the ISO. So I will link down below a YouTube video with an ISO. So it would be easier you guys to follow my tutorial. And also I learned that whole ISO is approximately 4 GB. So warning right here. So I don't think you will basically get it for 4 GB. So make sure you are getting that on your own circumstances. Okay? Okay, let's go. Right here we don't have any major designs, but in right here we have the play and fun plus button, which is a new one, which is good. Right here I'm gonna close it. There's nothing just to look after that. But over here we have Cortana, who is just the old one, I think. And yep, that's it. And that's my whole video about this. And this is a short video I could make. I made this fast as possible to me as I could. I don't know what that meant. I mean, that is the fastest and shortest version I could go with. Right here, we got recommendation section, which basically says what are the recent ones and old ones and other stuff right here. And also, let's just click right here. And also, there's option called Welcome to Windows, and when you click on it, it basically has like new tips for Windows. Let's just don't like that at all. Okay, right here we have the power button on the Windows menu. You could do right chat, and also when you click Alt F4, like that, get out, Alt F4, and yeah, this is the version with the way you close it down without any magic. So when you click right here, we have these options too. So now it had been fully updated, but I think this is basically the coolest version we could basically get. I think this is good. This is the shortest video I could ever make possible. So comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. And I'm gonna shut this computer down, not once and for all, and see you all soon.